rest in the hands of police. It all happened at that time.
So did you get to know Lieutenant General Mkonazi during this period when you were MEC, when you were Premier?
No.
You didn't get to know him at all?
No, not at all.
Who would have been the Provincial Commissioner of Police when you were Premier?
At some point, there was Ngiti. At some point, General Ngiti. That was before. After I became Premier, I can't remember who it was, up until Mamunye. Yes, Mamunye, General Mamunye, Lieutenant General Mamunye, who got appointed more or less at that time when I was Premier. We're working with him.
And your relationship with the